Hello children, I hope that you're fine. Let us start with our topic for today. The topic for today is fractions. Before we get started, please take your copybook and a pencil with you. Fractions. The three types of fractions are proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. Take a look at the picture. A proper fraction means when the numerator is smaller than the denominator. The example given is 2/5. An improper fraction is when the numerator is greater than the denominator. The example given is 7/3. A mixed number consists of a whole number and a proper fraction. The example is 2/1/3. Let us take a look at equivalent fractions. Take a look at the chart below. You will find so many examples given to you. Let us take the first example of 2/5. We are going to find the equivalent fraction for 2/5. The answer has been given as 8/20. How have we got the answer? Let us find out. 2/5. As you can see, the denominator 5 has been multiplied by 4. 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20, which means we should multiply the numerator by 4 to get the answer 8. Let us take the second example, 8/10. The equivalent is 32/40, which means we should multiply both numerator and denominator by 4. 8 times 4 is equal to 32. 10 times 4 is equal to 40. Take a look at the rest of the numbers. You have to find out the equivalent fractions by multiplying both numerator and denominator by the same number. Let us move on to reducing fractions to their lowest term. Take a look at the examples given below. The first example, 2/4. 2/4 has been reduced to its lowest term as half. The second example, 12 over 18. The answer is 2/3. 12 over 18 has been divided by 6. Both numerator and the denominator should be divided by the same number. Let us take a look at the following 12 over 15, which has been divided by 3. Both numerator and denominator have been divided by 3. The answer is 4/5. The next one is 4 over 6. The answer is 2/3. Let us move on to addition of fractions. The first example is 1 over 7 plus 3 over 7. It is a simple addition as the denominators are the same. We will have to add only the numerators. The denominator is unchanged. 1 over 7 plus 3 over 7, the answer is 4 over 7. Let us take the second example, adding fractions with unlike denominators. 1 over 8 plus 2 over 3. As the denominator is different for both numbers, we will have to change the denominator in such a way that both denominators are the same. The LCM of 8 and 3 is 24. You will have to multiply all the numbers by 3. The answer is 19 over 24. Let us take other examples of addition. 11 over 4 plus 5 over 12. Both the denominators are different. Here we have taken the denominator 12. 11 over 4, you have to change the denominator into 12. 4 times 3, 12. 11 times 3, 33. 33 plus 5 is equal to 38 over 12. For this answer, you will have to simplify, as it is an improper fraction. The second example is adding mixed numbers. These consist of a whole number and the fraction 1/3 over 5 plus 2.5. You will have to convert these numbers to improper fractions. 8 over 5 plus 5 over 2. Then you will have to add the two numbers. 41 over 10 is the answer. Thus you have to convert it to a mixed number. 1 over 10. Let us take other examples. The first one is 9.5 plus 5 3/4. There are two methods to do this addition. Firstly, you will convert both to improper fractions. Your answer will be 61/4. 61/4 is an improper fraction. You will have to change it to a mixed number. The second method is adding the whole numbers 9 plus 5, then adding the fraction. Your answer will be 15 1/4. Let us move on to subtraction of fractions. The first example, 11/15 minus 3/5. It is the same as addition. The denominators should be the same. The answer will be 2/15 as we have taken the denominator 15. The second example, 3/4 minus 1/3. The denominator is 4 and 3. You will change the denominators to 12. Your answer is 5/12. Let us move on to subtraction of mixed numbers. The example is 9 1/2 minus 5 1/4. There are two methods. The first method, you will have to subtract the two whole numbers as well as the fractions. Your answer will be 4 1/4. The second method, you will have to change to improper fractions. Your answer will be 4 1/4. Multiplication of fractions. The example is 2/5 times 3/4. This is a simple multiplication where you will have to multiply the numerators as well as the denominators. Your answer will be 6/20, which you will have to reduce to its lowest term. Your final answer is 3/10. The second example, 2/4 multiplied by 3/6. The same as the first example where you will have to multiply and reduce your answer. Let us take this example. 1/3 times 2.5. Which means you will have to change the fractions into improper fractions. Your answer is 35/8, which you will reduce to its lowest term or convert to mixed number. Your answer will be 4/3/8. 2/5 times 1/3/12. 2/5 remains unchanged. 1/3/12. You will change to improper fractions. Your answer is half. Now let us move on with division. The same example, 4/5 divided by 2/3. Here you will have to change the division sign and replace by the multiplication sign. 2/3 becomes 3/2. The answer is 12/10, which is an improper fraction. You will change to mixed number. The same goes for the second example. When dividing a mixed number, you will have to convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions. The same, you will change the division sign to multiplication sign. You will change the second fraction. If your answer is an improper fraction, you will convert it to a mixed number. Take a look at the example. Children, I hope that the topic fraction has been a good revision for you and that you have understood the lesson well. Here are some homeworks for you. Attempt all questions in your copybook and write down the answers. You will have questions on equivalent fractions, reducing fractions to their lowest terms. You will have questions on addition and subtraction of fractions and mixed numbers. Children, I hope that you will do all your homework. Please do all your homework as they are good revision topics for you. Thank you very much. See you later.